Today we're gonna draw Mickey Mouse and his dog Pluto, okay? So we're gonna start using this cup to draw circles to help us draw Mickey Mouse's head, okay? So from there, we are going to, we're gonna use the smaller side of the cup to draw the ears, okay? Ooh. Okay, your turn. I'm holding the cup. We're gonna do this side. I'm gonna trace mine out so everybody can see. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with his nose. You draw an oval right here. Okay. Actually, we're gonna draw his forehead. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit this. Okay, so we're gonna do this down to his nose. So come down to. Okay, I'm gonna trace this. Yeah. Cheeks are gonna go like this, curve like this, and curve like this. This is gonna come down here. We're gonna do like a heart, so it's gonna stop here. And you're gonna connect that to that. Very good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing over here with the Sharpie. Okay. Yep. There we go. Very good. And then you're gonna start drawing this line over his nose, okay? So this is like a curved line, the same size as a nose. That's very good, good job. So we're gonna draw his eyes. His eyes are like this, on top of that line, okay? There's two. One on the left and one on the right. Very good. Okay, excellent. And then we're gonna draw his eyeball on the inside, which is same shape, but smaller, okay? Oval. Not a circle, it's an oval, okay? Okay. And then we're gonna draw a smile, okay, from here, all the way across to here. It follows the shape of his mouth, okay? Then on the edge, we're gonna have a little line here, little line here, little line here for the edge of his mouth. In the middle, we have his mouth, it's opening, okay? So we're gonna do this. And now, all we have to do is fill in the black parts of his face, okay? He has a little triangle on his face. Did you know that? It's right here. Look over here. Yep, there it is. We're gonna color this part. This crescent, like the moon. Yep, and we'll do the same thing on the other side, okay?
I want to color darker.
And now we're gonna do his nose. I'm gonna draw a small circle, and then I'm gonna color around it. Okay. I'm gonna add his inside of his
Keep
mouth.
going, I'll catch up with you, Dada.
Here, you can color his eyes in too with a color pencil, okay? Alright, so that's Mickey Mouse, and we're gonna do Pluto next. We're gonna start from his nose in the middle of the page. Take a look at mine, okay? It's smaller than Mickey's nose. Okay, so here we're gonna draw his mouth. This is a half a circle. And then same thing on the other side, half a circle. And here we're gonna extend the curve so it goes up. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side, curve up. We're gonna draw the bottom of his mouth. Okay, half a circle. And then we have another outline, same shape around it, bigger. Okay, and we're gonna have an M in the middle, only on the bottom. Here we're gonna draw his eyes, okay? So we're gonna do that curve on the top of his nose. And on top of that, we're gonna draw his eyes. Okay, and inside we have the eyeballs. We're gonna do those. Color them in. Very good. Okay, and here we're going to draw the side of his mouth. Okay, this is kind of tricky. You're gonna draw a circle and connect it out here. Go outside and come back. Very good. And do this same thing. Go around the line and connect on the outside. Excellent. Okay, stop. That's very good. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay. Okay, I'm doing the same thing. All right, almost done here. So from here, halfway in the middle, we're gonna draw a line up. This is gonna be his little bump in the middle and come down. Okay, and here, where the bump is, we're gonna do a little curve down here. Watch. This is the eyebrow. Okay. Can you do that? Come down. Very good. Excellent. Where the curve is, where we started, we'll draw this down here a little bit. Okay, that's his. You add his ear. Okay, so we have a little circle here. Okay, look over here. See, we're gonna have a circle here, half circle, and then from here we draw the ear. Okay. Very good. Okay, and then we're gonna from here curve back up. Like a banana.
I know what you mean. I'll do the same. You don't have to tell me. Okay, but I'm gonna measure it. See, same height.
So now all we have to do is coloring his nose. We're gonna do the same as Mickey, right? Do a small circle. And we'll color his ears in. Okay? You can use the color pencil to color it in, okay? Okay, that's how you draw Pluto and Mickey.